inside.
The side of the we go shine. Let's bound it for
So this is a new hard drive for a laptop that I have. It is a 128. The original one supposedly went out. Yeah, so this is a new. We're gonna be installing this into my laptop, and you will never see this video if that laptop does not work after this. Is my laptop, and this thing is, dang, it done got scratched up. It wasn't even this scratched. What the heck, bro? Anyways, this thing is about 6-7 years old, but what we're doing today, and I already unscrewed everything I need to unscrew here. And so I already took the stuff off, and this is kind of how I remember where the screws go. So that's how I do it, and I tape it down so I don't lose them. But this is the only part we need to pop out right now. So hold on 1 second. Okay, so it was already unscrewed. Like I said, I got everything unscrewed, ready to go. So this is the part that we are taking out and replacing it with that one. Just this. So basically all I'm going to do is, it's already like out of the casing. So lift this up, flip it over. So as you can see, this was a 1 terabyte. We're going to be replacing it with that 128. And the reason why I didn't go back with a higher memory or a hard drive, because I got that new computer, so I don't really, probably ain't going to be like saving stuff on this one. You know, this is just something I can actually carry with me as a backup. But we're going to see if it works. Because if it don't work, ain't nobody going to see this video but me. That's the one I just took out. This is the one I'm going to put back in and back in the casing. Okay, so I got the new one in there. There's the old one. And we're just going to take this case and pop it back into place. And I'm not screwing anything down. I hope that this works. And I'll open it back up and screw it down. But if it doesn't work, I'm not going to waste my time screwing it down just yet. So let me get the charger. Let me get it plugged up and I'll turn it on for y'all. So it said your system seems to be having trouble starting, which is what it normally says. So it's running this test. So we just gonna wait and see what happens. I don't think we got this far without a alert, so we might be in the clearing. Got my fingers crossed, hoping this works. If it doesn't, it's cool, but it was just to try and see, so I don't just throw away a laptop that has an easy fix. Okay, so this is the test. All tests pass, okay. But if I go to OK, is it going? And now it says your system seems to be having trouble. So I wonder, do I need to reinstall the operating system some kind of way? So after, I'm gonna say hours, because I ain't know what the heck I was doing, but I'm finally getting a different screen, and Windows is installing again on this laptop. Now, how I had to do this was I had to go use my other computer, install this program on Windows, and then it had an option where you could go and download it to a USB or a CD-ROM drive. And since my other computer doesn't have a CD-ROM drive, and I don't have blank CDs laying around like that, because who use CDs anymore? So I just formatted my flash drive to FAT32 or FAT32, downloaded, and this is where we're at so far. 70%, but that's what it's doing. So it looks like this is gonna work. And again, this is Windows 10 that I downloaded. Oh yeah, the computer's right here. But I downloaded Windows 10 because that was the operating system that was already running on this laptop, and this is a Dell Inspiron 555 4 5s, okay? And for whatever reason, the old hard drive crashed, and I had to buy a new hard drive. It costed me like $30, okay? Better than me I was just gonna trash this, you know what I'm saying? It was going in the trash. So I was like, since it's only 30 bucks, let me just see what I can do. And so I can show y'all, if you like, you can just comment down below how I was able to get the operating system onto my USB here. Like, I can show you the steps on the computer so that it'll be easy for you if you are having the same problem where your computer is going into a BIOS when it starts up and it's not never loading the windows. So yeah, it's probably something with your hard drive, because like I said, I had to buy a new one because when I done a diagnostic, it said that the hard drive was failed. I just needed to work. Okay, so that's what I did, and I'm gonna come back once this actually like gets in and opens up and show you that it ain't no cap, that this actually works. And if you want to see how to get your operating system, because they also have Windows 11, and I don't know if Windows 11 is gonna work, so I'd rather do Windows 10 on here, and then once this loads up, I can like manually download Windows 11 from the internet to here. If it works, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'll be back. So right now it restarted and it's just loading everything. USB still plugged in.
All you plan to do.
Okay, so Cortana has been activated.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
And it took it like 15 minutes to get to this, and it restarted again.
If
so
you need
just
an
so you know.
assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Okay, I'm gonna turn that off because I don't need that. And there it is loading again. So that's what it done for like a while. It just kept loading and loading. So be patient. Once it starts up, once you get to this screen, you should be good. But like I said, it took like 15 minutes for it to get off that last screen. So it looked like it wasn't gonna do nothing, but it restarted and then it came back on and this screen popped up. So is this the right keyboard layout? US. Yes, we're in the US. Want to add a second keyboard layout? We're going to skip that. Okay, network. I'm gonna not let y'all see this. So let me. Okay, so I'm done setting up my network. And I'll probably just come back once the desktop screen is back so y'all can see that it's legit. And we're up and running. So, yeah. As you can see, desktop. Windows is back. Alright. I need to wipe the screen, clean this off. But, yeah. Up and running. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Though I won't be doing this type of video, it's just for, you know, having some content. But I do have the information on how to get your operating system back if you lose it. But anyways, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.
Got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving. And them seeing.